Hey guys, it's springtime. It's getting hot outside, and I've got the perfect mojito recipe for you. This mojito recipe has no sugar added, so guess what? You can enjoy your mojitos and not even feel guilty about it. Because all it really is some basic ingredients, lime juice, mint, and some white rum. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so sliced the limes and we pulled off those mint leaves. I set aside some sprigs of mint. What I'm going to do with these is I'm going to throw these into the pitcher, and not only is it going to give it a nice presentation, but it's also going to continue to infuse into that drink. It's going to taste nice. You also want to set aside some of these limes. You could use these to garnish each of the glasses. That'll give it a nice presentation for your guests. And I should also mention that you could use fresh limes for the lime juice. Just to save time, I decided to use bottled lime juice. Either or is fine, whatever works for you. And also, depending on the size of your muddler, you may want to muddle the mint leaves in a smaller glass first and then transfer it into a pitcher. And that's what I'm going to do today, because my muddler is, it's actually for a small glass, not for a large pitcher. So let's go ahead and get started, shall we? Okay, so let's go ahead and see how this tastes. I love the way these taste. This is the perfect summer refreshing drink. Has no sugar added, so guess what? You can enjoy it and you don't have to feel guilty about it. Try this for your next get together. Your guests are absolutely gonna love it. Hey, don't forget to subscribe. And thanks again for watching.